Hello and welcome. My name is Claudia Lacerda. I am GE CVUS Global Clinical Leader, and it is my pleasure to present you to AFI RV, an advanced application introduced with the Vivid Ultra Edition. During this demo, you will have an overview of the capabilities of the tool and how this can prove useful in your practice. Right ventricle systolic function is an important prognostic indicator in patients with cardiovascular disease. Its assessment can be challenging due to its complex shape and anatomy. Using traditional echocardiography requires incorporating multiple parameters along with visual assessment as a common method of interpretation. Let me introduce you to the new GE Healthcare Ultra Edition AFI RV strain, which is a novel tool to assess the right ventricular function using advanced speckle tracking echocardiography. AFI RV follows the 2018 consensus document of the EACVI-ASC Industry Task Force and provides endocardial and full wall segmentation analysis and results, including TAPSE. AFI RV offers renowned Vivid AFI user interface and workflow to allow current and new users easy adoption, providing a seamless workflow for fast and reproducible results. Once processing is complete, AFI RV provides a set of comprehensive results to evaluate and quantify the RV systolic function of your patient. Our easy-to-read quad screen provides parametric image display, along with segmental values, strain curves, and a curved M mode showing strain curves over time, along with an easy-to-read display of the global strain, free wall strain, and TAPSE results. GE Healthcare Ultra Edition AFI RV is a quick and easy tool for objective quantification of the RV systolic function, providing improved prognostic confidence when evaluating patients with right heart pathologies. Should you want to know more about AFI RV and how it could help in your practice, feel free to request a demo. Our applications team will be pleased to support you. We hope you found this overview useful and encourage you to discover the other exciting applications introduced with the Vivid Ultra Edition.